Hi there, I'm Christina from hairstyle.com. Today I just want to do a quick tutorial with you because this is really how my hair's looking. It's day 2 or 3, must be day 3 because I washed my hair at night, which I never do, but I was so tired and then I ended up going to bed before it had dried and I didn't really apply that much product, so I've got a lot of frizz happening. I've got a lot of frizzies, a lot of wavy hair. It's just kind of doing its own thing. So I want to show you a really quick, simple updo you can do that would be great for any occasion and is really quick. Let's get started. The first step with any updo is to style the front of your hair. I like to keep some pieces out at the sides, and doing this now is much easier than pulling hair out of your bun later. Now, because my curls at the front are a little flat, I'll show you a way to reset them. Dampen your hair with a little water and wrap your hair around 2 fingers to create a pin curl. You can hold it in place with a flat clip, but if you don't have these, I'll show you how you can do it on the other side with bobby pins. Simply slide the bobby pin through the curl. You might need to use 2 to hold them in place, and then we can go on to the rest of the style. You'll need a hair elastic for this style, but I'm using a hair bungee instead as I prefer them for curly or long hair. Leave the top section of your hair out and create a low pony with the rest of your hair. Adjust your ponytail to make your hair look thicker by pulling some pieces above the elastic. Oops, did you see I just missed a bit under the ponytail? Oh well. Now roll your ponytail up to create a bun, pinning the ends inside, and then also pin the bottom and the sides to secure it. When I slide a bobby pin through, I try to weave it through the hair as I find that holds better in the bun. Now I've just noticed that piece is missing, but nothing that a bobby pin can't fix. Now back to those top layers we left out. This is where we're going to add in some detail to the bun. I've split this section, crossing it over, and now at the back I'm going to twist the ends around my fingers to create a little flat curl. You can create these little pin curls and pin them on top of your bun. I'm just going to do 2, but you could do anything that works with your hair here. With my bobby pins as well, I try to weave them through these curls and weave them through the center and the underneath layers so they don't show on top of the curls. If you've got any loose layers or curls out, you can just tuck them into the bun to include them in the rest of the style. Or leave them out, whatever you like. Now we'll just take out the clips at the front and style the curls the way you like them. To be honest, the bobby pins didn't work as well as the flat pin curl clip. So if you've got those, that's probably going to give you a better result, but work with what you've got. You can always dampen it down and reset it and do it again. I find just by rubbing the curl between my fingers, I can widen that a little bit and just emphasize the curl. But that's the finished style, and I hope you like it. So this is the finished updo. I think it's turned out slightly more formal than I expected, but I think it would work for any occasion if you're going out for dinner or even like a job interview, or just want to look cute on the weekend. Tie a little scarf around that bun and you're ready to go. Remember, you want to just try and think about how you want the face framing layers to look, and then at the back it doesn't really matter, you can kind of just pin and go crazy. Over on hairstyle.com I've got lots more tips and tutorials, whatever your hair type, and especially lots of curly hair tips. And if you do try this style, I would love to see it. I'm over at Hair Romance on Instagram, so tag me there so I can see it in your hair. Really, I think that's the best thing about curls. Every time I try styling curly hair, it looks different, and every curl is different, so it's going to look a little different in your hair, and I love to see how you customize it as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, I'd love it if you'd follow, and you can hit the bell for notifications, and like this video if you're going to try this style as well. Have fun with your hair, and I'll see you next time. Bye.